How to remove AI generated label on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. Move into any of the posts that you want to remove AI generated label. You can see AI info, click on it. But there is no any option in order for it to not label AI generated, which means that you cannot remove AI generated label after posting. So what else you can do is go back and once again head over to post. Select the picture that you want to post and click on next. Now at the bottom you can see add AI label. If it is turned on, simply toggle it off. Now even if you upload this picture, the AI generated label will not be shown and it will be removed. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.